Listen, the problem starts when you watch something not because you like it, but because you have no freaking idea what you're looking at. Let's see which poor souls are getting roasted today. Well, looks like things are about to get interesting. Welcome back to Etsy Profit Check, where we test and build viral DIY products using cheap tools and cheap materials. Have you ever started watching a YouTube video and said to yourself, what the fuck am I looking at? That's exactly what's gonna happen in today's episode. Today's collection features some genuinely baffling YouTube woodworking creations. People making them insist that they can sell it for a decent profit. Rest assured, we'll put that to the test. Kicking things off with this questionable creation that's racked up 177,000 views, courtesy of the legendary Bearded Viking. If you're mad enough to build this torture device, Viking recommends making two, because one instrument of suffering isn't enough. You'll need a pine 1x8x8 board, table saw, bandsaw, and a cordless drill. Starting with the fun part, marking a perfect half circle with wire and pencil. Took me ages, but you'll get it first time, I'm sure. It's best to use wood that fits your tools properly. Don't worry about me, I'll figure it out eventually. Slow down and be accurate cutting these shapes on a bandsaw. Meanwhile, Viking reckons he managed this with a jigsaw. Absolutely believable. Nothing suspicious about that at all. Yeah, I realize now I could have cut both pieces at once. But where is the fun in efficiency? I much prefer spending hours building mysterious objects I don't remotely understand. Okay, this next bit's lovely. Do precisely what Viking says or it'll all go tits up. And me, I'm not even attempting to act like I understand any of this nonsense. Haven't got a clue, frankly. Right, grab a chunky drill bit and attempt to drill straight on those marked spots. And when I say straight, well, let's be charitable and call it roughly in the right direction based on my performance here. Okay, Viking's going with a miter saw here. Lovely choice. Me, I quite enjoy having 10 functioning fingers, so bandsaw it is. Creating that opening between hole and the edge the safe way. Thank you very much. Now simply copy these cuts onto your second piece and voila! You've got something that vaguely resembles a wooden hedgehog. Right, we've reached the point where everything becomes clear and makes sense. Yeah, nice try. I'm taking a shortcut with brad nails to hold this thing together because honestly, I can't justify spending another minute on this bizarre contraption. Right, while I'm attempting to make this look vaguely acceptable, I need a favor. If this is your first time seeing this project, hit pause and drop a comment guessing what the hell it is. I'm dying to know what you think this monstrosity could possibly be. Okay, moment of truth. Fair warning. You might be let down by what it actually is. Don't say I didn't tell you. Yup, another cup holder for your dad. A weird one. Let's check the scorecards and add the suffering. Tricky build with awkward shapes and measurements. Cost average 3 stars. Competition's dead, just one blog with questionable AI images. Overall 3 stars. Not my thing, but you decide. Viking reckons you can flog this for 50 bucks each. Meanwhile, the one Etsy seller can shift any. So yeah, highly doubtful. Next two projects are super easy, and they took about 15 minutes each. But don't worry, I still managed to mess something up. They're worth a watch since one of them pulled over 1.6 million views. Now, without further ado, let's get it done. There is barely anything to say about this first project. because it's just a wooden triangle made from scraps. Tools, circular saw, butane burner, white paint spray, and a masking tape. Groundbreaking carpentry right here. I'm using a circular saw since some of you are working with the starter pack setup. Cut a few small triangles in roughly the same size. We're not building a Swiss watch. Holding tiny triangles against a power sander wasn't a brilliant strategy. So now we're hand sanding. Slowly, carefully. Like the true craftsman, obviously. Here comes the controversial part. Wood burning. Some people call it a finish. I call it budget-friendly laziness with style. Right, precision time. Use decent masking tape, not the dusty roll you found in a drawer from 2012. You'll see why soon enough. Follow along exactly like this, no questions. JASCO says it's done this way, and I choose peace over confrontation. See? Bad masking tape, bad results. I ignored my own advice, and now I've earned myself more work. Fantastic. Well, that's not exactly gallery ready. I'll sand it and clean up the paint bleed with a craft knife. Worst case, it's a rustic design choice. I'm not sold on this one. I wouldn't buy it myself, and that's me being polite. But considering how many people are listing these for sale, there has to be some logic behind it. Let's check the results and see if it adds up. JASCO's little triangle mountains are ridiculously easy and can be made from literally anything. Top marks there. Unfortunately, competition's absolutely massive, so 2 out of 5 on that front. Overall, solid 4 out of 5. JASCO's delivered again. Fair play, mate. One more thing worth mentioning. JASCO's actually the only one so far who genuinely used to sell his stuff on Etsy. That's a massive well done from me. Quick disclaimer. The creators featured in my videos are genuinely great people. Any humor or light-hearted criticism is never intended to be disrespectful. We're all creators here, and everyone deserves respect. So let's treat each other the way we'd like to be treated. Right, hope you're braced for another bizarre creation. You'll need a single 8x22-inch board, table saw, and some wood glue. Nothing too difficult yet. This one's from a channel called Workshop Guy, who's just starting his YouTube journey. So as usual, pop over and check him out for the full tutorial. This won't take long, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the spectacle. I'll be back shortly with the damage report and scores. Yeah, still not my thing. But it's easier than Viking's hanger and more useful than JASCO's triangle mountain. Cost super low too. Competition's pretty hefty, but at least nobody's flogging it as 1200% profit. So overall, 3 out of 5. Well done, workshop guy. Quick reminder, likes and comments are completely free, but will absolutely convince me to keep pumping out videos at maximum speed. Now go check out one of these videos if you missed them. Seen them already? Visit my channel and find something new. See you in 2 weeks.